If you spent $1,000 investing in Apple stock in 2010, today, that same $1,000 will be worth at least $19,000. This is something that the world's richest investor, Warren Buffett, understood, which is why he spent over $10 billion buying Apple shares in 2016.
Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has taken in a $1 billion stake in Apple. According to a regulatory filing report released today, Berkshire held almost 10 million shares of Apple in its first quarter.
Now, you might say, I'm from Nigeria. How do I buy US stocks from Nigeria? That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. As a matter of fact, we're going to be going to my phone right now. We're going to be downloading an app, and we're going to be using this app to actually buy stock. I'm going to be telling you how to identify the right stocks for you to buy. Right? So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial where I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to buy US stocks from the comfort of your home right here in Nigeria. So again, it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. Now that said, guys, let's go to my phone and let me show you guys exactly how to buy US stocks from comfort of your home right here in Nigeria. To do it, so just come to the App Store, right? Google Play Store right here. If you are on an iPhone, of course you go to your App Store, but this is an Android device, so I'm on the App Store right here. So I'm going to tap this and it opens up. Then I'm going to search, click here and search for Bamboo Invest. Right, that's the right app, the first one right here, this app right here, this is what you're looking for. So I'm going to hit install right here now. So I tap install and the installation process begins, right? So let's just chill for this installation process to continue, to finish. While this is happening, I want to invite you to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you are watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. So this says installing. So the installation process has just begun, right? It is done downloading right now. So it is installing. So this is done installing right now. So it says installed and we're going to hit open here. So I hit open and this app opens on my phone, right? This is easy. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on the bottom where it says start building wealth. So I'm going to tap, or if you have an account, you need to hit on this login to actually sign in. So I'm going to tap Start Building Wealth, select your Nigeria, select your country. As you can see, Nigeria is available, Ghana is available, and South Africa and Kenya is coming soon. So these ones are not available, but these two is available. So I'm going to tap Nigeria, which is my country. I'm going to put in my first name here, put in my last name here. My gender, I'm going to select my gender. My date of birth, I'm going to select my date of birth. I'm going to put select my date of birth here, country of citizenship. Put my phone number here, my email address here, my password goes in here, and of course put in the referral code that is showing, the referral code that's showing at this right side of your screen. You're going to put it here, then tap this place, right, and hit next. That's what you need to do. So I'm going to tap next now. I've filled in all the information. I'm going to tap next. So I hit next here, and it says phone number is required. So I didn't put in my phone number, so I'm going to put that in now. I'm going to tap next again. Tap next, and this is loading up. Let's just give it a while. Okay, so it brings me here. It says verification code, which is going to be sent to my phone number, right? So it just came in now. So just copy the verification code. I'm going to paste it in here, right? So I'm going to tap next again. So I'm going to get, okay. So it says I should create a transaction PIN. Enable a 4-digit transaction PIN to protect your account against unauthorized transactions. So I'm going to choose that PIN now. Right, I'm going to type the PIN again for confirmation. It says your transaction PIN has been created. I'm going to hit OK. Right, so here it says start investing maybe later. Right, this is pretty easy. So I'm going to hit start investing right now. And if you invest 1,000 naira, you're going to be getting 8% of 1,000, right, and all of that. So let's say how much do you want to invest. Let's say I want to invest let's say $20, for instance, right? That's 15,100 naira. You know, they can tap and complete this process. You can review the investment, select the tenor, how long you want to invest, right? And all of that. But this is not what I want to do, so I'm just going to go back, right? Let's set up our account properly. So right now it's showing that my, okay, so it says welcome to Bamboo, US stock market, buy shares and every, so it says welcome to Bamboo. Bamboo is an investment platform that helps you access smarter investment options and earn returns. With Bamboo, you can invest in US stock market, buy shares and become a part owner of global companies such as Apple, Microsoft and many more, right? And also with Bamboo fixed return, a fixed income dollar dominated investment that gives you up to 8% per annum, right? So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to tap continue at the bottom of my screen. What to do next? Make a deposit, right? You can fund your account with Naira and make your first investment. Like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, we're going to be doing all of that in this video. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit done, right? And this is it right here. So it says that I have 0.00 balance right here, right? So you can buy stock from here. You can see your portfolio breakdown from here. Then add personal information. This is actually required, which is what we're going to be doing now before we jump into all of these other things. So I'm going to come here and hit add personal information, right? So it says, how did you hear about Bamboo? So what you need to do is to select the first one, a Bamboo user, and hit save, right? So at the bottom of the screen here, bottom here, we're going to be seeing some things here. So let's take a look at all of this. So there is invest, there is lend, there is help, and there is account. Let's go to account, right? So here it says, hi Gerald Ume, your wallet has not been activated. Activate wallet. This is very important. So I'm going to click on this activate wallet here. Now it says, please provide your BVN, your bank verification number, so we can verify you. So I'm going to be putting in my BVN right here, right now, and hit next. My BVN here and hit next, right? Okay, so it says wallet has been activated. Your Bamboo wallet is now active. You can now perform wallet transaction without restrictions, right? That was easy. So I'm going to say, okay, right? So you say, this is my USD wallet and this is my Naira wallet. So what I can do right now is to make a deposit. I can't withdraw because I don't have any money right here. So I have to make a deposit first before we get to investing. So I'm going to tap deposit here. So I tap deposit to actually make a deposit into my wallet. So you can actually do a USD wallet, or you can deposit to your USD wallet or your Nigerian wallet, Nigerian Naira wallet. That's NGN wallet. So I'm going to tap USD wallet, right? So how much do I want to deposit? I want to deposit, let's say $20. And it's telling you that current rate of $1 is $7.55. So let's say I want to deposit $20 or $30. I want to deposit $30. Or let's do $50. I want to do $50, right? So I'm going to come here and hit deposit at the bottom of my screen. So it says that if I'm depositing with this, right, I'm going to be paying 528 Naira 50 kobo. But if I decide to use this, right, I'm going to be paying $1.45, which is actually higher than this according to the exchange rate. So I'm going to be using the Nigerian Naira debit card, right, the first one, right? So I'm going to tap it and this is loading up right now. I think it's taking me to the payment page. So this is where I put my account information, my card information, my Naira debit card information. That's what I'm going to be putting here. I'm depositing with Naira. That's the interesting thing. You can actually make deposit with Naira. Yeah. So I'm going to put in my card information. So I'm done now. I'm going to hit pay, right? 38,278 Naira 50 kobo. That's what I'm paying. I'm going to put in my card pin, right? And this is loading up. Okay, so it says kindly enter the OTP sent to your phone. So an OTP I've sent to my phone, and that's it's here now. So I'm just going to paste it in here and hit authorize payment to authorize this payment. So my Naira account is going to be debited. And of course, I'm going to be created into my wallet on Bamboo, on the Bamboo app. Easy, right? So it says deposit successful. Your deposit of 38,278 Naira 50 kobo was successfully processed, and would reflect in your USD wallet. I'm going to hit OK, thanks at the bottom of my screen. And right here, you see that my wallet balance now is $50, which is what we deposited, right? So, and if you want to make withdrawals, you can hit withdrawals right here to actually withdraw the money into your bank account. What I'm going to be doing right now is to actually buy shares, basically, right? Invest in US stocks, like I promised you guys in today's video. That's what I said I was going to be doing. How do we do that? This is where it says invest right here, right? You can click here to learn. You can hit here to contact customer support if you have any issues with the help, you know. So I'm going to tap invest at the bottom of my screen, right? And it's showing me lots and lots of companies that I can actually choose from. So I decide what I want to invest in. So there is featured stocks. There is Apple, which is the first one, right? Apple is here. There's Amazon here. There's Walt Disney Company. There's ET, Energy Transfer Equity. There's Google here. You can buy any of these. Microsoft, you can buy Netflix. You can buy Shopify, right? These are all listed right here. You know, there's Tesla here too. You can buy Tesla, right? So, but there's something very interesting. These are all celebrities that we all know. So they have portfolios here that they are actually that they've bought, right? So this is files here. This is $10 million. If you go here, you're going to be seeing bank EFTs and the best performing. Hold on, guys. Okay, bank EFT, best performing ETF for 2022, best performing. So it's helping you make these decisions, right? So if you come here to fix returns, right? It says this is where you can get up to 8% dollar returns easy. So anything you invest, you get 8% annually, right? So, but we want to buy stocks. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to do in this video. So let's say I want to buy Apple shares now. I'm going to tap the first one, Apple Incorporated, right? So it says market closed. This is what the share is, $158.88 and all of that. So I hit buy here, and it says stock trading account not active because this is the first time I'm trying to buy stock, right? So activate your stock account by completing your investment profile and maintaining a minimum of $1 into your Bamboo wallet. So I'm going to hit proceed right here. Now it says employment. What do? I'm going to say self-employed, right? Occupation. Which industry am I in? Information. I'm going to say information. Position. Okay, occupation. I'm going to choose which is best for me. So you choose whatever it's best for you. Management of companies and enterprise. I think I'm going to choose one. Position. Okay, I'm going to choose business owner, right? So employer name. Employer name, online hustle. TV, right? Marital status, single for me. If you're married, you choose that. Number of children, 0, right? Investment goal, new to investing or long-term buy and hold, which is what I want to do. You might want to choose new to investing if you're new to investing. So I want to do long-term buy and hold. Experience, none, right? Risk tolerance, moderate, so you can choose low, whatever it is. Source of wealth, company sale, gift, inheritance, sales of shares or other investment, loan, sale of property, savings, right? Assets, liquid. So you just select what what is obtainable to you. So I'll just choose something randomly. Net worth, right? I choose all of this. I hit acknowledge this and hit next, right? So select all that apply to you or your immediate family. I'm affiliated or work with a US broker / dealer or FINRA. No, I'm not. I'm a director, officer, or 10% shareholder of US public company. I'm not. None of the above, right? So I'm going to hit next. Trading account under review. Your stock trading account is currently being reviewed and you'll be notified once it's approved. This may take a minimum of 2 working days. I'm going to hit OK, right? And this is the point where we wait. So we're back into our Bamboo account right here. And okay, I'm going to scroll here. Buy stock 0. This one 0. Okay, so let's go and try and buy stocks. I'm just going to come down here to invest, right? So this is how we'll confirm if our account has been approved or not. So I come to invest right here. And let's say I want to buy Walt Disney Company, or I want to buy Energy Transfer Equity. ET, right? Or Google or Microsoft or Netflix or Shopify or Tesla. Let's say I want to buy ET, right? Energy Transfer Equity, that's what I want to buy. So I'm going to tap it and it shows me here. So this is everything about the company. Energy Transfer Equity LP is the former name of Energy Transfer LP, a master limited partnership. Its only asset is 100% interest in Energy Transfer Operating LP, right? So you see where you can compare the stocks. You see how well the stock has done over time.
right? So it's actually low right now compared to where it's compared to the highest point, which is here. So this is a compare. You can compare stock. You can see price alert, right? You want to set up an alert so that when it gets to a particular price, you'll be alerted. You know, so this is the CEO, Kelsey Warren. You know, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so it's important for you to do your due diligence before you actually buy stocks. And you also need to understand the fact that this is a highly volatile market, right? So this is financials and news. So click on financials, you see this is the financials of the company. Then this is news, right? The news, everything that is in the news about this particular company and what is happening and all of that. So I'm going to come to the bottom of my screen where it says buy, right? And I hit buy at the bottom of my screen. So it says buy now, buy when price decreases, buy when price increases, close, right? So I want to buy now, basically. If you want to buy when price decreases, you can actually click on that place and do all of that, right? But I want to buy now. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to tap buy now. So it says buy ET shares. Remember, we have about $38. We have a few dollars. So let's say I want to buy like $20 worth of shares of this. So this is what I'm buying. $20. The price per share is 11.70. Buying power, blah blah. So the money in your Bamboo wallet is immediately available for stock trade. I'm going to say preview buy, right? It says insufficient buying power. Your buying power is 0.00. It's not even purchase this quantity of shares. There would be, where would you like to take the balance of $20 from? I'm going to say I want to buy it, take it from my USD wallet, which is $50. That's what we have. I'm going to say here $50. Then it's saying okay, $20. That's what I'm buying. All of this. I'm going to hit buy now. And if you look at this place, it says order summary. You are placing a good for the day market order to buy 1683761 share of ET. Please note that while this is the current stock price, the fast-moving nature of the market may cause the actual executed price to differ. So just letting you know, this transaction is subject to free riding violation and blah blah blah. I'm gonna hit buy at the bottom of my screen. I hit buy. So you say your market is closed. You are about to place an order when the market is closed. Your order will be executed at market price once the market reopens in 1 hour, 25 minutes, and blah blah blah. I say yes, I want to place the order, right? Okay, purchase rejected. Your buy market order for 163 was rejected. Reason: instrument is not allowed for user instrument group. Okay, thanks, right? So I'm not sure what that means. So let's go and buy another one. Let's go find something else to buy. So I come to a files portfolio. This is probably what files I've bought or what files prefer, and I'm not sure what it means. Right. So I'm gonna, let's say I want to buy Uber for instance. Right. Market is closed. $30 is 23,000 naira and all of that. So I'm just gonna come here to buy. Right, or you can go to all stocks to actually see all the stocks that's available. So let's say I want to buy Uber. I'm going to hit buy right here, right now. Then it's giving me the option of buy now, buy when price decrease, or buy when price increase. I'm going to hit buy now, right? So it says that price per share is $30. Let's say I want to buy $10 worth of shares, right? Or $20. Let's say I want to buy $20 worth of shares of Uber, right? I'm going to getting 0.650407. That's what I'm going to be getting, right? So let's say I want to buy 15, right? I'm going to hit preview buy. So it's showing me everything that I need to know. You are placing order and blah blah blah. I'm going to hit buy now at the bottom of my screen. So it says you're about to place an order when the market is closed, because right now the market is closed. Your order will be executed at market price once the market reopens in 1 hour, 21 minutes and 11 seconds. So you might want to wait for the market to open before you buy, or you can just go ahead and say place order. So I want to go ahead and place the order. So I'm going to hit yes, right? And this is rolling right now. Okay, so it says order placed. Your buy market for order for 0.488 shares of Uber was executed successfully. Estimated commission 0.22, received blah blah and all of that. So I'm going to hit okay thanks. So we've bought our first share. You can go ahead and buy other companies, right? And as soon as these companies, as soon as they're trading and making money, you're going to be getting dividends, right? And I think I just got an email to this effect. So this is the email from Bamboo. It says order accepted from Bamboo, right? Order accepted. You have submitted order, market trade and blah blah. So it's giving me details of what I just bought right now, and this is how easy it is to actually buy shares of US companies and other companies using your phone and just the Bamboo app.
So you've seen the process. It's actually very simple. Anybody can actually do this. That's the truth. Anybody can do this. So the question now is, how do you know the right stocks to buy? I'm going to be answering that right now. I want to encourage you, if you've not done that, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Now the question is, how do you identify the right stocks for you to buy? Now the first things I do is actually pay attention to the companies, right, that I use, the platform that I use. As a matter of fact, I use Payoneer, I use Canva, I use Samsung. You probably use Apple, those kind of companies that you actually know a lot about, right? You know that Apple sales is always going up. You know that Payoneer, these are all service platforms on the internet. So I prefer buying those kind of companies that I have a personal relationship with, because I understand the problem that these companies are solving. So as long as these problems exist, this company is going to continue solving these problems, and they're going to continue making money, and that's how you make money. Right? So look out for companies that you use. Now pay attention to the problems that they are solving, the solution that they're providing, right? And see if this is a sustainable solution. That is the right company for you to buy. Now let me state this clearly, that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a stockbroker or anything, right? This video can be considered to be for educational purposes. So do your own research before you actually jump into buying stocks and all of that, right? If you want to see my video on how to actually make money online in Nigeria, this video is going to show up right here. It's going to show you how to do that, right? But this video showing down right here is going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT and Fiverr.com, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.